Hello everyone, welcome to BESTA Machine channel. BESTA Machine China is a professional bamboo and woodworking machine expert. We supply top quality equipment and back it up with complete solutions. We wish to introduce you the complete line for wooden toothpick making. The first machine is wood dissection machine. The function for this machine is for dissecting the wood into certain thickness, which will be used for stick making. For making wooden toothpick, the first machine will dissect the wood into 2.5 or 2.6 mm thickness wooden strips. Is dissected by our machine. The thickness is super consistent. And look at how smooth the surface is. This means less waste and a better product. We've significantly upgraded this model into an automatic feeding model. Workers simply place the materials neatly in the loading area, and the machine automatically takes care of everything. No more manual feeding, saving manpower, time and money. Our toothpick products rely on this machine in the first place. It can precisely make the wood chips into 2.2 mm wooden sticks. The wooden sticks produced by this machine is with uniform roundness and good quality. Precise cutting machine. This machine it is designed with one saw. The function for this machine is for cutting the long sticks into certain lengths, for example, 35 cm. This machine is a stick polish machine. We have two designs. In this video, it is customized according to 35 cm length. The product length is 35 cm. You need to put all the sticks into this machine and press and start running for this machine. After polishing the sticks well, we will go for the next step. This is a toothpick length setting machine. It is for cutting the long wooden sticks into 65 mm length. The standard length for the wooden toothpick is 65 mm. For this machine, it is air pressure type. It should be worked with the air compressor. It has totally 6 pieces of saws. The advantage of this machine lies in its unique pressure system. During the cutting process, it can apply a balanced and stable pressure to the entire bundle of wooden sticks, ensuring a smooth and burr-free cut, which greatly improves the surface of finishing. This machine enjoys high processing efficiency and outstanding sharpening effect. It can ensure that the double-pointed toothpick is sharp, smooth, and burr-free, and the shape is uniform. The speed for this machine can reach 2,500 pieces per minute. Sharpening machine is for sharpening one end into sharp and another end with engraving function. If you wish to produce both single-pointed toothpick and a double-pointed toothpick, we kindly suggest you to buy 2 sets of toothpick sharpening machine. This is a blade sharpening machine. It is used for regular sharpening the flat blades, shaping blades. This machine is needed when the knife is not sharp enough. This machine is also very simple to operate and easy to learn. our toothpick packing machine. It is for packing the toothpick by paper. It is a 3-side sealing and a 2-color printing type. This machine can be used in packing bamboo or wooden toothpick. It is high-quality printing, 2-color printing to create a vibrant customer packaging that boosts your brand. It is flexible packaging. All the printing content can be tailored to your specific requirements. This machine is designed for ease of using. Questions you may concern. Which type of wood is suitable for making wooden toothpick? What is the investment for this project? Thank you for choosing BESTA Machine China. This is our service range. We support OEM service and the whole package plan. We aim to provide you high-quality machinery and excellent service. Our machines are widely exported to the following countries. How to buy machines from BESTA Machine China. For more detailed information, welcome to contact us. We also have our own import and export company for handling machine exporting. BESTA Machine, bamboo and woodworking machine expert. Contact us. This is our email address. This is our WhatsApp number. We have both WeChat and WhatsApp. Don't hesitate to contact us. Your success, our solutions. This is our working time. Welcome to visit our company website. Welcome to subscribe our channel. Thanks for your kind watching.